Hello everyone. हेलो. आई होप यू कैन हेयर मी. बहुत टाइम बाद लाइव आया हूँ. मैं एक्चुअली अपने लैपटॉप से थोड़ा काम करने लगा था. और टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं ट्रेडिंग उतने वक्त से नहीं कर रहा था. आखिरी ट्रेड जो मैंने लिया था, आज नहीं, आज तो पूरा साइडवेज मार्केट था, एंट्री नहीं मिली. मैंने ये कैप्चर किया था, ये वाली जो मूव है यहाँ पे अराउंड 38 पॉइंट्स का जो भी स्टॉप लॉस था. ये वाली मूव प्रॉपर कैप्चर नहीं हुई. 1.5 लगभग हुई. ट्रेलिंग स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया. सो या, आई थिंक ओवरऑल ये गया था 2.89. सो हमारा वही टारगेट है. हम लोग एक मेन रेजिस्टेंस को टारगेट करेंगे एंड वी विल ट्रेल. तो अभी जो सिंपल सा है, अगर हम लोग ओवरऑल देखें तो मार्केट ने बड़ा मूव करने के बाद होल्ड करा, इनसाइड कैंडल बनाई. सिंपल मतलब उसका यही है कि थोड़ा अंदर मार्केट ने कंसोलिडेट किया है. ऑल टाइम हाईस पे चल रहा है मार्केट. एंड इफ़ यू सी द यूएस मार्केट्स, तो वो भी अच्छे बुल ट्रेंड में है. उन्होंने भी थोड़ा होल्ड किया है. तो देखते हैं, काफ़ी बढ़िया से यहाँ पे मूव आया है. एंड अगर हम लोग फिब यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करेंगे, सो एक करेक्शन तो थोड़ा पेंडिंग है वो, क्योंकि इतना पिछले एक ही वीक में काफ़ी अच्छा मूव आ गया. सो एक हेल्दी करेक्शन टिल 0.32 लेवल 0.5. उसके नीचे थोड़ा सा अगर ये यहाँ वापस आ गया तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ है कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही डीप करेक्शन हो जाएगा. बट इतना तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. सो वी वोंट हेजिटेट टू गो ऑन द नेगेटिव साइड. एंड अगेन सिंपल सा एनालिसिस है. यहाँ पे ये 30 मिनट्स का चार्ट है, तो पहले एक उससे मार्क कर लेते हैं. वेरी सिंपल एनालिसिस. दिस level right over here, very, these are the two important levels over here. Now tomorrow what we are expecting is, देखो हम लोग सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस को ट्रेड करते हैं. एंड what I can see happening is you have a very two good very levels, this and this. But the thing is now we cannot expect a lot from this. The reason is very simple, क्योंकि ये बहुत छोटी रेंज में ट्रेड कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. द सेकेंड रीज़न बीइंग, थिंग बीइंग, कि अगर जैसे मान लो, जो सिंपल सा है हमारा आइडियोलॉजी क्या है, कि अगर जैसे मान लो मार्केट यहाँ बंद हुआ है, अगर यहाँ गैप डाउन खुलाते हैं, यानी मार्केट का मूड नेगेटिव है और फिर यहाँ नीचे आ रहा है, तो एक तो पहले ही ये 1 2 3 यहाँ से ब्रेकआउट भी हो चुका है. 4 5 ये लेवल बहुत बार टेस्ट भी हो चुका है. मूड भी मार्केट का ख़राब है. सो हायर प्रोबेबिलिटीज़ दैट मार्केट विल ब्रेक दिस लेवल. ठीक है. सो इट विल ब्रेक. सो दैट्स वाई वी वोंट टेक. अगर मान लीजिए हम गलत हैं, मार्केट एक्चुअली गोज अप, then we'll wait for the breakout and then take a trade on the retest of this level यहाँ पे. ठीक है. The second thing is, which I think will happen, which I think might happen, is वही कि जो लग रहा है that tomorrow US markets close slightly negative, so maybe we have a retest. And what will happen in the retest is markets will open somewhat over here, and it may break it over here. It may come till this level, retest यहाँ पे we'll make an entry, and it may go till here, which will be around, this is 100 points move. No, it may fill this gap, or as we marked on the daily levels, let yeah, it may go bit till the gap, so 3.8 वहाँ तक. तो कहीं भी जा सकता है. बट the whole point is we won't hesitate. If the market opens flat, then we'll wait for a breakout. And yeah, we'll wait for a breakout. I'm usually not that hesitant to go on support and resistances, but the simple thing is ये range बहुत छोटी है. तो it's like, yeah, अगर खाली ये range देखो is 417 and 340, so it's not a big range. And tomorrow this is the most likely scenario. If it opens flat, flat to gap, especially in Nifty, then we are expecting it will go up. If for some reason it unexpectedly starts going down, momentum is slow, then maybe we can definitely, see. Uh, what was I saying? Yeah, maybe we can definitely see an attempt to take trades over here if we get the appropriate setup. I don't mind taking this trade. I really don't. Yeah. So that is for Nifty. Right. I will now resistance, support, beyond this point I think the ship has sailed too far, so what we can say. Yeah, pretty simple analysis, nothing much over here. Okay. Coincidentally, the level is of 0.5 is also near 19,000, exactly near 19,000. Can't be a coincidence. Not so 19,000, which is this one right over here. But yeah, our strategy is very simple. We try to speculate on the opening movements of the market and where it is going. If market is gap up or flat, then we are positive. And if it is following the setup, we also go with the flow, right? If it opens gap down, then we are not really interested in it. Yeah. Alright, that was for Nifty. Let us look at Bank Nifty over here. Remove drawings. So I think clearly 45,000 is the good level over here. We can straight away calculate it that way, and there is a trend line coming over here. This level over here 45.3 will mark it. This one over here, this one over here. These are the levels which we are watching out for, and it can go till here. We'll see where the correction is, but yeah, again, if you see, then our analysis says this is a weak support now, right? Simple reason being that look at what the last bounce was of the support. It was somewhat this one, and it wasn't a very strong one, so yep. But then again, if we do find a setup over here, which is that if it doesn't open gap down, opens flat to gap up, it still comes down, we see the setup over here, then we take the trade. As simple as that. If it breaks down over here, then we don't take the trade. You never know which support or resistance is strong enough, right? So that is the whole theory behind it. And yeah, if you look at Fin Nifty, there was a much deeper correction in Fin Nifty. So this is where we are right now. In Fin Nifty, we had sort of a breakdown, which we never got a retest on, to be honest. and we have two positions over here. This one, yeah, this resistance, and you have this interesting levels, right? Now it's a very simple thing over here. If market opens gap down, then we are not really interested in this level, simply because things scenarios are against us, probability is very low, and if it ideal scenario is that it breaks this and retests it and we take a trade over here. That's an ideal scenario. If it opens flat to gap up, then if it opens flat it still comes down over here, then I actually don't mind taking another trade. Support and resistance, big concept, but according to our stop loss theory, the stop loss may be a bit big over here, so we'll see as to what we can do about that. Maybe put it over here or something. Now the other thing is, if it opens gap up, maybe over here, maybe straight above this, that's the best scenario. It comes down over here and we take a trade over here. Very simple. We are not keeping things very simple, very what should I say, complicated. But the clear cut thing is the banking sector and the finance sector, they are much more negative than Nifty's. I think it's mainly because of HDFC Bank, yeah, and HDFC twins basically. And ICICI Bank is doing good, and yeah, all the others are going good. Nifty, that's why it's less volatile. It has a mixture of different sectors. So if banking goes down, then maybe there's something else to save it. So yeah, if we are seeing a negative scenario, that is a gap down opening, then Bank Nifty is much better to trade because it's a much more negative overhead. If we are seeing a much more positive opening, then Nifty is much better. As you can see clearly, it has not bended as much as Bank Nifty has bended, and at the same time it has closed near its resistance, the high of the day. So it's a good sign. The bounce back, the previous bounce back from the support was also good. So yeah, anyways, good luck. Simple analysis, stick to your analysis, stick to your plan. And I'll see you guys now in Australia. This is my last stream from India. A bit nostalgic, but it is what it is, my friends. Thank you so much.